Hey there, little explorers! Welcome back to River Adventure. Today, we're going to have so much fun beside this beautiful river. Look around. Wow! The water is so clear, and the trees all are very green. Are you ready to find some animals hiding here? Let's go! Ooh, what's this? It's long and squishy. It's a squid. Squids have tentacles that help them swim and squirt ink when they are scared. Whoosh! Next up, something with arms like a sun. It's a starfish. Starfish can regrow their arms if one breaks off. Wow, that's amazing! Look at this shiny one. It's a sailfish. They are super fast swimmers, like the speed racers of the sea. Here comes a slow but steady friend, a turtle. Turtles love both land and water, and they can live a very long time. Whoa! What's that strange looking shell? Oh, it's a horseshoe crab. Did you know they've been around since the time of the dinosaurs? Oh, how cute! It's a seahorse. They swim upright, and guess what? It's the daddy seahorse who carries the babies. Snap, snap. That's a lobster. Lobsters have strong claws for catching food and defending themselves. Pinch, pinch. Uh-oh, look at those teeth. Don't worry, it's just a toy shark. Sharks are the kings of the ocean, and not all of them are scary. Some are gentle giants. Speaking of giants, wow! A whale, the biggest animal on earth. They sing beautiful songs under the sea. Another clubby friend, our crab. Sidestep, sidestep, pinch, pinch. Crabs love hiding in sand and shells. Ooh, gliding gracefully. It's a stingray. They look like flying carpets underwater. And last but not the least, the saw shark. Look at that long snout. It looks like a saw. It uses that to find food in the sand. How cool is that? Let's do a quick review, friends. Here is our squid. Squid. Starfish. Starfish. Sailfish. Sailfish. Turtle. Turtle. Horseshoe crab. Horseshoe crab. Seahorse. Seahorse. Lobster. Lobster. Shark. Shark. Whale. Whale. Crab. Crab. Stingray. Stingray. And saw shark.